Are you an organized person? Or are you an organized person in real time? Let me explain the difference. If you are an organized person, every time you finish a project, you tidy up and organize everything. When you cook, for example, you put the salt back in its place after finishing cooking. If you are an organized person in real time, every time you finish an activity, you tidy up and organize. You don't wait until the project is complete. When you cook, for example, you put the salt back in its place right after using it. You don't wait for the meal to be finished. Try to be organized in real time. You will see how your productivity skyrockets. Look at your desk. Is it tidy? Answer me in the comments.